Ajmer is a city which is known for the mixed culture. It is the privilege of Ajmer to be here, the Karma Bhumi of Emperor Prithviraj Chauhan, the world-famous Brahma Temple and Sufi Saint Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti's Dargah. Construction machinery, a proud product of Laxmi Group which was founded in 2012 by two brothers Mr. Poonamchand Mali and Mr. Mahavir Prasad Mali with the vision of generating employment more and more. A leading manufacturer and supplier of various types of customized industrial automation systems based out of Ajmer, Rajasthan. Laxmi Group is an industry leader in the manufacture of fly ash bricks, concrete blocks and construction machinery. A fully automatic machine built for high efficiency that requires very less manpower for continuous operation. We use latest software for designing, innovation and production like SolidWorks, AutoCAD, Tekla and FastCAM to achieve high precision and build quality to help our clients move quickly from an idea to a functioning product in no time. Our range of machine has lineaments such as feeding, mixing, pressing, brick machine and stacking for rapid production. The materials are mixed with water in the pan mixer. The mixer door opens when ready and the mix is dumped into another conveyor that feeds the brick making machine. For each cycle, a brick making machine feeds the mold and compresses the mix powered by hydraulic cylinders to exert hydraulic pressure with high frequency vibration. The bricks which are formed are of very high strength and high quality. We use high quality electrical motors. Hydraulic systems are made by Rexroth. Control panel has PLCs made by Schneider and Delta which is programmed to automate the entire operation of the plant. Our machines are available in different models designed to produce between 500 to 4000 bricks per hour. We greatly improve production of brick making machine unit and we have supplied over 1000 plants that are running successfully in India and abroad. Fly ash bricks and blocks produced from the machines are uniform in shape and size with high levels of compressive strength. With fly ash used as the primary raw material, the production cost is really low. With a heavy-duty construction and robust 3D design that is guaranteed of serving you for long and lower consumption of energy, we also make machines which are produced with different types of products including interlocking bricks, paving blocks, hollow and solid blocks. The properties of bricks meet or exceed Indian Standard of Bricks IS 4139, 1989 and 12894, 1990. For excellent service and production, we have latest machinery, well infrastructure, highly educated engineers, well-trained staff and experienced workers, so we are able to complete our orders on time. All you need to do is determine the number of fly ash bricks and concrete blocks you want to produce over a period and leave the rest to us. Talk to us today as Laxmi Group offers you optimal solutions that readily meet your demands. Thanks for watching.